Hi everyone, thanks for joining me on My Life on a Hill. My name is Tracy. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button. So this is me. I have my patreon.com/nailroomtalk account. You could go see what I'm talking about. There's different topics. And these were my first set of gel polish that I had purchased when I first started doing nails, going to school and everything. I didn't know anything about gel. I didn't know anything about, I just knew about lacquer, just regular nail polish. And so it was new for me. I didn't know what brand was good. I didn't even know about Karasky or Young Nails. I didn't know about any brand. So, and plus we were practicing, so we wanted something cheap till we figure out what we were doing. Not necessarily cheap, but inexpensive. So because we didn't really know what we were doing, and we needed something to basically work on. So I decided to pull these out because it was the closest that I had for the I guess French look that I wanted. And I had this in my little case. I love these polish, and I'm going to use more of them probably soon, especially if I'm doing press on, because they're not expensive. And I got them, I think I got these from Amazon. It was like a whole bunch of them like that came in. And so I saved my like Karasky and my Young Nails and my Madame Glam for myself in terms of my nails, not a press on. But I still have these press on nails, and I use them, if I need them. I haven't needed them for actually since I've made them, but they're on my display board. And so this is the white, and I use the different brand polish for this. And like I said again, it was just different polish I was using. Like I asked for a recommendation for one of my classmates from school, and she recommended the polishes to me, because like I said, I had no idea what gel polish was, how long it stayed. And I love this my little tripod for my press on nails, because they're easy to work with. They're easy just to put in the lamp, and the one that has the checkers, they're individual. That could become kind of time consuming to replace the magnet to this magnet. And then right here, and then sometimes I put them away. I'm like, oh my god, was that the ring finger? Was that? But anyway, so I am just doing the French tip a little higher up. These came out so nice. And at patreon.com/nailroomtalk, the topic that I talked about over there, you would have to go check it out to see, because the topics are different, and the topics over there are more serious, intense, and kind of like private, in a sense that it's only for paid viewers. And this one, I just basically talk about what I'm doing, and how to get the nails ready and have them prepped, and certain topics that's going on. So today it's raining, and I want to go do some nails for Easter. If you checked out my last video, it was for Easter egg pedicure. So if you want to go check that out, it turned out pretty cute, for the fact that I have to be upside down doing my toes. But those I like how they came out. I'm not always happy with my pedicure for some reason. Like, it's like all of a sudden, the older you get, your nails just start doing like different things, and it's like so hard to really work on your own pedicure. But I don't know, I think I prefer pedicures over manicures. But on myself it's kind of harder, because it's the reverse. So these are all my little bling blings. I'm not sure what I'm going to use, but I will be using my Zuli, and also that gel. This is gel. Zuli is use activator, and also air. It's like regular, it's a resin, and then the gel, you have to cure it. So at the time I didn't know what I was going to do, but I knew I wanted to bring in all my little pretty rhinestones and use those for this video. So all these stuff I got from AliExpress, and I'm still deciding what I want to do with my license. But one of the reasons why I'm debating is because, one, rent in this area is so high that it doesn't make sense to start any salon business, because you have to really have a lot of clients. And being a beginner doing nails, your time is kind of like, I think I did a nail extension in 4 hours when I first started, and now it's down to maybe, well, I don't do gel nor do I do acrylic currently, because definitely not acrylic, because I can't handle the smell. But the gel, builder gel, I still do that. But I found the Apres or the Cara Sky system, and I love it. I just saw it on this Facebook group that I follow regarding, I think, young nail community, and people are like, is it cheating if you use the Apres system or the Cara Sky jelly tip system, because you need so much like technique, and you have to do this and you have to do that. And it's like, really? I mean, why don't you try it before you knock it? Like, I've tried acrylic, and I'm telling you, if you can get the same result with the Apres or the jelly tip system, why wouldn't you use that for your client? One, they don't have to sit there that long. Two, they don't have to smell that smell. And three, you don't have to smell that smell, and it comes out with pretty much the same results. So talking about building an apex versus this, well, if you know about a Apres system, you can still build the apex, because once the jelly tips are on or the Apres system is on, you can still build it with the builder gel that comes with the system. But I just watched them and I just said, okay, whatever, just people just trying to knock other people for doing things, and I don't understand the reason why. I don't knock them for still wanting to do acrylic and deal with this nasty smell that exists. I mean, there's different system out there. Why wouldn't you try it? And I've been doing that more on my family and friends, and they've been loving it because it lasts just as long, if not even longer. So this is how it came on. Again, this is press on, and I just love how these came on. And I think a couple of them I sized them when I think I had on regular had on nails, so it was kind of hard to get the exact, but they did work out good. They were, maybe I could have gone a little bit smaller on the middle finger for the full cover tip size, but I love them. I love the fact that I can reuse them, and if I need to go anywhere and I'm like, oh my gosh, I didn't get my nails done, I could just use my little sticky tabs and slap them on my fingers with some glue and have press on for like a whole week. So anyways, thanks for listening to me rambling like I am going to be rambling here, but that's for my Patreon site if you want to go see the full video over there for that one. Again, I have different topics, so but those are serious topics. I think this one about marriage, no, I forget what this topic was about, but go check it out and see. You can see the I'm not sure if you can see the thumbnails. I think even the thumbnails are private over there. So it's patreon.com/nailroomtalk. Anyways, thanks for your support. Please don't forget to subscribe here, and don't forget to hit that notification button so that you get my videos when they're first up and running. And on comment, if you comment only positive stuff, because negative stuff will get a middle finger emoji from me. No, really, you will. So take care, be blessed, stay safe, and be thankful for life right now, you guys. Bye bye.